Hey guys, if you're trying to use Rustdesk and keep seeing that annoying not ready, please check your connection error sitting in the bottom status bar. It usually means Rustdesk cannot establish a socket connection to the relay server. So luckily this is super common, let's fix it. So firstly we need to make sure that Rustdesk isn't getting blocked by Windows permission limits. So if you launched Rustdesk as a portable executable like this, just as you can see this is exe, and you haven't installed it right here, so make sure to click this button, outlined in this kind of, I don't even know what this color is, like pink, outlined with this color, just install so that it is fully installed in your system. And then once installed, let's imagine this is the shortcut after the installation, you right click it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to run it as administrator. So check this, apply, okay, close the window. Okay, next. Open up Rustdesk and click on three dots next to your ID to open up settings. And then you can just go to the settings and choose unlock network settings and ensure there are no accidental typos or invalid addresses left. Also, if you use a self-hosted setup, double check that your server IP address, host domain, and public encryption key match your server configuration and click OK. And last pro tip. If the status bar is still showing not ready, you don't need to restart your PC. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager, switch to Services. Let me show you. Okay, Task Manager, Services, search for Rustdesk in search, and then just go ahead and restart the service. Right click and choose Start or Restart. You can just stop it and then start it. Hopefully this was helpful. As always guys, enjoy.